Okay, fold the fabric in four. Okay, this is the open part. You fold it in four. Okay, so you measure 23 inches wide here and the length of 44 inches. Okay, so you take your length 44 inches. Okay, so here it is. So then you'll be marking 4 inches from the center front. Okay, so I'm shifting this fabric like so that you can see. Just mark 4 inches, but I'm going to be using 3 here because of my client. I'm using 3. The previous one I used 4 inches, previous palazzo I made. So just mark the 3 inches or 4 inches and then pin it down like so. So after pinning it down, we are going to be measuring 16 inches from the top. Okay, just mark 16 inches like so from the top. Then after marking the 16 inches, you just make sure it's accurate. So marking the 16 inches like this all through, and then I'm going to be drawing a horizontal line like this. So on this horizontal line, you're going to be marking 15 inches. So you mark 15 inches on this horizontal line like this. You mark it here. Then you come to the waist line, okay, and mark 11 inches from this folded part. Okay, you see I marked 16 inches all through and then 15 inches here like so, and then I'm going to be marking 11 inches from the waist. Okay, 11 inches from the waist. Then I'm going to be connecting it down to this 15 inches line. Mine is not going to fall on the 15 inches point. Okay, so just connect the 11 inches straight like this, and then from that 15 inches like this, you curve it. You just make curve for the crotch area. I hope you're following. Just give it a curve like this to that straight line, the vertical line. Okay, so you open up this side that will pin down earlier. Just remove the pin and open it up. Okay, then from that 3 inches that we marked or 4 inches, you just slant it down like this and let it open. That is how we get the palazzo effect. Okay, you just slant it down to the hem. So this is my 44 inches hem line. Okay, so I'm slanting, just opening this line like this. I can see I just let me use this tape now to show you. So you just draw a line like this up to that 3 inches. Okay, just slant it up to the 3 inches like this. Okay, making sure that the hem has this opened effect. So you come also to the crotch area and open it down also to the hem. The hem will be 23 inches, okay, wide. So you just open it down to the hem like this. That's it. Okay, so just slant it down the way we opened the other side. Just open it. Okay, so when you slant it like this, you get the flare shape underneath the leg area of your trouser. So this is the waist, the 11 inches. Okay, to this point. So I open it down to the hem like this. Just open it down, open this other part down. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting this out now so that the shape you see how it is palazzo kind of effect that we have. It's not like the regular piece. So here it is. Let me cut it out. So this is what you get from when you cut it. So I'm going to be taking the hem up by 1 inch, take this other part up by 1 inch, and then I'll also cut it out. Just slant it like this to the center okay, of the fabric and cut it out so that you have this effect, this curve effect underneath the palazzo. So this is how it is. Okay, so just remove the front and the back fabric, so that we'll be treating the front fabric. Okay, so on the front part of the palazzo, come down by 2 inches and then slant it up like this. We're cutting this out. Then on the crotch, just come down by 1 inch straight down to the hem. You cut it out also. So you pin the crotch to the crotch, the front part of the palazzo, and then you pin the back also. Then you are going to sew the side. Okay, sew the crotch, sew the side, sew the hem, sew this inner part. Okay, then you practically ready. Then for the elastic, this is what we do. We use 25 inches long of the elastic. Okay, after we sew it to the palazzo, we'll bend it like this. So this is how you're going to do it. You are going to mark 4 parts of this elastic. Mark it 4 parts, attach to the 4 edges of the palazzo trouser. Sew it straight like this and bend it down. Okay, stretch the elastic as you sew. So here it is, very beautiful palazzo. Okay, so this is the side view, this is the front view. Thank you for watching Alina's fashion.